this video, I'm going to share with you the LED dually marker lights that I got some time ago, and show you how to install those and the benefits of why you'd want to do this, and we'll get into the video. So for you dually guys, if you're looking to upgrade from the stock bulbs, maybe you've upgraded to LEDs, but you want more light, you want more LEDs themselves. So these have 6 in them a piece. You can kind of see it there. There we go. They've got 6 LEDs in there a piece. I've had other LEDs where there's 5 or maybe 4. These are much brighter. They seem to be, and hopefully it's going to be just plug and play when we plug these in. I've got LEDs already. I had to kind of mix and match a little bit on mine because I had a one that went out. Water got into it. These look like they're a little bit more put together. There's actually a better seal there, I think, looking online as well. So anyways, these are what we're going to be installing today, and hopefully this can be a help to you if you've got a dually and you're trying to get the marker lights upgraded a little bit and not have a problem for some time. So, all right, guys. So initially, I was pretty intimidated by trying to mess with this stuff. I don't know about you, but the wiring and being concerned about breaking something or snapping something off here, but really it's not too bad. All you got to do is just pop up the lock up here and then push in on that black part right there, push it in, and then be able to pull. It's kind of hard to do with one hand with a couple fingers, but essentially you're just going to be pulling this out, putting the new one in, and then as you can see here, the large part where the little clip goes around and actually snugs it up there, and then the actual plastic part that does not move, you just pivot in there, and then the other part snaps in. So pretty quick change out. If you're not going to save the old one, I just rip it out myself, but yeah, this isn't too bad of a thing. This is probably all 4 of them, probably, I don't know, 15, 30 minutes, depending on how much you take your time. But it's not too bad, and we'll go ahead and look at it from the inside after this, but I'm going to go ahead and replace this and show you what you see on the inside. So one last thing before we go to the inside. When you do snap this in, you're going to hear the click sound. Make sure you hear that. You can't just pull it apart. Once after you hear that click sound, that's when you're actually going to be pushing in the lock. And then again, matching the big side with the big side, and then the little side here with the little side there. So that's it from this picture. And then, oh yeah, you've got to go sideways and then turn. So that's how you'll be able to get it on there from the outside. All right, so you can see there, this is the look from right at the exhaust pipe coming out, and this is what you see from the inside. Again, you put the small side in first, and then you pop in the big side. If it has trouble, because it is meant to be pretty snug, just use a flathead screwdriver to pop out the larger side. That would then allow it to snap into place. Be careful you don't snap that bigger part, because it's meant to move but not too far, so just watch out for that. Alright, so there's the front marker light. Make sure that you have both marker lights, amber lights in the front and the reds in the rear. Make sure you don't mix that up in the middle of just trying to slap them on. It'd be a pain to have to change them up. But yeah, so right up there, the big side is what you compress. Use a flathead. Use whatever you can use just to pinch it a little bit and wiggle it out. Undo the lock, push the black part in, and the connection will be off. And then you just slide the new one in, and it's just so easy. But I just wanted to show for those who haven't done it or Haven't even touched it. This is what it looks like. This is how it goes. LEDs are much brighter than just the one bulb. If you've got just the stock set up there, and I've been very pleased with this, and just wanting to have more LEDs all together, 6 inside there, and just light it up, you know. So I'll go ahead and show you this. Alright, so I've got the new one already plugged in there. Obviously just again the lock, and then you push down into the black part there, and then you have the small side in first. You have that in, wedge in first, and then you push in the big side. Push in the big side there, and then just use a flat head, or maybe even your finger. Maybe not your finger, but use a flat head just to pop this out just a little bit, and it'll snap into place. It'll have all the right pressure. Make sure this is locked. Make sure again you heard the popping noise here, so that it actually did connect in, and you'll be good to go. Alright, well obviously you can't really see the 6, but there are 6 shining there for the amber, and then the red, maybe you can see that a little bit better, but so we've got all both ambers in the front, and then the 2 reds in the rear. Got that all put on there, 6 in the rear, 6 in the front there. So if you've got dually marker lights that you're wanting to replace, or just upgrade a little bit brighter so other people can see you, so you can see yourself driving at night, this is the deal for you. Hope this helped. Have a great day. God bless. All right, so as you saw, that's what it all really takes. It took about 20-30 minutes. The sun went down as I was doing it, so it's actually kind of helpful, so I can actually see, hopefully you could see sort of how bright those LED lights are. If you're upgrading to LEDs, or if you already have LEDs and you want more, if you have ones that are less than 6, now you can have 6. I'll leave the link in the description below, but this is what I'm doing. I just want to have lights that are going to last a lot longer than the bulbs, hopefully brighter for safety reasons. And again, if your truck is a Dodge dually, hopefully this can help you. Also for the channel coming up, I feel so guilty. I'm just trying to do life right now, get the house put together so I can get everything in here put in there. It's taken a lot longer than expected, getting things set up so that I can start moving things into each room. So if you could just bear with me, I'm trying to get as much done as I can with everything else going on in my life. And so hoping to be able to bring you shortly a track bar replacement. I'm excited about that one. And then ball joints. My tires are showing wear for ball joints. I'll go through a video shortly here, being able to describe what to look for ball joints, but I'm going to be going through ball joints, a complete walkthrough, every single step. I've done them before. It's not a whole lot of fun. You need at least a day. Maybe you can do it faster. I take my time. I want to make sure I do it right. So ball joints, track bar, and after that we'll see where we're at. I've got some other things hopefully in store. We'll see what happens. But anyways, hope this video is helpful to you. Hope you're having a great day, and God bless.